Lily, can you give the hippo a doots? Give the hippo a doots. Good girl. Can you give the froggy a doots?
Where's the owl?
Owl. Kit.
Can you give him a doots?
On kitty.
On reindeer?
On Bibo.
What's that?
She's
What's that one?
Woody.
What's that one?
It's Abby.
What's that one?
It's Shivu.
Which is that called?
Eagle.
Very good. Eagle.
Eddie.
Ew.
Oh. Sass.
A shark? Starfish? Crab? Fishy. What's that?
That.
Crab. It's this big one.
It's Ippy. Da. Oh. Dit.
Dits. What'd you...
Oh.
What's that?
It's Dit.
What's that?
Lily, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.